So let's see what's in the IR3 box, or what you're going to get. So this is the main unit. This is the IR3 unit. This is the on button here, and we'll talk about all the other buttons in a second. So you're also going to get a large probe. This is where you're going to connect it to the unit, and this is going to be what you put on the sample. Most people are going to use a large probe, but you also get a small probe, which is going to be the same. This is the connector that goes to the unit, and that's what you're going to put on your sample. So here is the connector that you're going to have. So there's going to be a 5-pin connection system, and I'll show you how that works in a little bit. You're also going to get your power cord, and that's going to connect to the back, which is back here. So just like any monitor or computer, you're going to plug it in to the unit and then plug it into your power source. And you're also going to get your standard plates. So there's 2 standard plates in there. Now, our standard plates that we have here, the cardboard is a little different, and this is actually recommended by Soken, that either you have a cardboard holding system or even a wood system that's similar to this, just to hold the plate and test the sample. You're also going to receive a carry bag, which will have the probes and the cords in it. Okay, so I've plugged in the unit. This is where you're going to plug it in. This is mainly if you're connecting it to a computer or some sort of automatic system. And this is your fuse and ground. You don't have to have it ground, but you can. If you're going to ground this system, you're going to need to get your own grounding cable. This is the fuse. If the fuse ever goes out, you unscrew it, pull it out, and it'll have a little fuse in there. You can get a replacement. But all you need to do is plug it in for now. So this is your 5-pin connector. You're going to connect one side to the unit and the other side to the probe. It doesn't matter how you do it, but I'll do it for you. So you just push it in, clicks in, do the same thing to the unit. That's it. And now we're going to turn it on. So you'll hear it turn on, beep. It'll run through a little beginning cycle, and then you're ready to test. So let's test something. 3 millimeters, and it's a G core. We're going to look at our unit, and the first thing we're going to do is look at our core type. We can see it's set to S, so we're just going to press G. The light lights up. We're going to look at our thickness, and we can see it's 0.26. So we can change the thickness in 2 ways. One, you can go to this side, which is designated 10-2, and that'll cycle through these top single digits. Or you can go to the 10-1, you get 3, but now we have 0.38, so we're going to have to cycle 3 through and get 0.3. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to look at our hertz. So we are testing at 50 hertz. So it's already set. If you want to go to 60, you press 60. Now we need to find our flux density. We are going to start at 1.5 T to test, and then we'll go to 1.7. Very simple. So if you want to go from 1.5 to 1.7, simply press. If you want to go to 1, press what you're trying to test. So we'll stay at 1.5. Now, with your probe, you'll see there's a line, and that's to help you line it up on your plate. So we line it up, hit measure. So you're going to hit measure on, and you're going to wait for it to stabilize to get your reading. So we see our reading as at 0.91, which is within range of our standard plate. That's it. So when you're done, hit measurement off. Everything turns off. Turn off the unit, and you're done.